Go.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jason John Oribilio,
And my name is Giancarlo Edanio.
and this is our interview in computer mediated communication.
I will be the first interviewer, and Jisan will be the first interviewee. And we will take turns. Let's go. So, here's your question. Alright,
Yeah.
so your first question is share a time you had to apologize to someone younger than you. What happened?
Yeah, I had an experience where I apologized to someone who is younger than me. I have a friend I only know online. We've known each other since 2020, if I'm not mistaken. We are close and she trusts me. There is a time that he shared a leaked screenshot of their group chat talking behind someone else's back. And I happen to know this person. So, but before he sent the screenshot to me, he told me first to don't share it to anyone. It should be just between him and me. And of course, I agree. Then, after a week, I don't know what came to my mind. I broke my promise to him and I sent the leaked screenshot to the person that we are talking. So after he knew that I broke my promise, then he chat me. He asked me why I did that, and I was speechless. I don't know what to say. And a day later, I apologized to him, but I feel like our friendship will not be as the same as before.
Wow, that's really
Yes, partner.
Yes.
It's a very sad story.
So here's your follow-up question. How did that experience change your approach to that conflict?
I learned and realized a lot from that experience, and that's why I promised to myself that I will change and become a person who can keep a promise.
So it's really good that we have to keep promises that we give, right, partner?
Yeah,
Yes,
partner.
right. So
So,
this is your last question.
okay, partner.
Okay, so describe a group project where someone didn't contribute. How did you handle it?
I had this experience. I experienced this too. We had a school project which required a group work, and everyone must participate in order for the project to be done before the deadline. So, but however, luck wasn't on our side that time. We had a member who doesn't participate, and I know that if this member doesn't participate, we won't be able to finish our group project before the deadline. That's why I confronted him and tell him politely our situation. After talking to him, maybe he realized his mistake and he started to participate in our discussion, group project. And in the end, we successfully finished our group project. That situation teach me a lot about communication and adaptability in teamwork. Maybe it's disappointing when someone doesn't participate, but I learned that focusing on the solution rather than the problem is the best way to handle such challenges.
Yes, that's really good. That's really good. Okay, so this
Yes,
is your
partner.
follow-up question, the
Yeah,
last
yeah.
question. Okay, so would you approach it differently now? Why?
I think I will not approach it differently now because I believe that my approach last time was correct, and yeah, that's all.
Okay, so now I will be the interviewee.
Yes, so hello partner, we exchange position.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, and
This is my turn now.
this time I will be the interviewer and you're gonna be answering my questions.
Yes, yes.
So partner, my first question is,
Right.
describe a fear you overcome in the last year. How did you do it?
Well, actually, in my first year, when I was a first year, I was really afraid on facing my classmates in front of the class because I don't have any confidence, and I was so afraid that maybe if I mess this up, I will embarrass myself. So I am thinking that maybe I should start thinking of a solution about this fear, and I need to overcome it. So I started studying my topic whenever we have a reporting in our class, and I was really shocked, man. I was really shocked because I was not nervous anymore, and I feel like I can confidently answer the question of both my teacher and my instructor and my classmates. So
Wow, what a nice story, partner.
yes, this is
I
really nice.
learned a lot.
Yes.
So here is my follow-up questions. What would you do differently if faced with the same problem?
Well, if I found myself facing again that kind of problem, I would differently approach it or handle it this way. Maybe I should stop thinking first the negative side, and start self-talking and encourage myself that I can do this, so I can avoid negative thoughts that can affect my presentation in class.
Okay, partner. Answer is very nice.
Yeah.
So here is my last questions.
Yes,
So,
I am ready.
question number 2. Tell me about a time you disagreed with a teammate. What compromise did you suggest?
Well, back when I was a grade 12 student, my teacher assigned me as a thesis leader, and as a leader, I want our topic to be good and presented well. So I decided that we have to meet in person.
Yeah.
However, one of my members said that we don't have to meet in person anymore because we can communicate through chats. So I strongly disagree and say that no, we have to meet in person, because being together in the same place when we have a group discussion is really important, because we can think of some solutions for our problems, and then we can collaborate our ideas, and we can share our thoughts, and if we don't like the changes for our topic, we will know if someone disagrees or not.
Okay, what a strong
Yes.
character, partner.
Yes,
You
that
stand
is-
for what you
And
want.
that is my first time being a leader, you know.
Yeah,
And it's really hard.
So here is my follow-up questions. So
That's the last, right?
yeah, this is the last
Okay,
question,
okay,
partner.
that's the last.
So what did you learn about yourself from that disagreement?
Well, I learned that clearly communicating your thoughts and feelings towards others, or like for example, like what happened to me, I shared my opinions and feelings to my members, so my opinions or my point get across to them, and then they understand me and they agreed, and it's really great that they understand my point, and then we ended up meeting in person that
Yeah.
time. Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
thank you for sharing, partner.
Thank you very much
because
too.
of that, we are now done. And
Yes, thank you very much.
Kaya ako pila ka minutes.
Lapas ng 10.